Hey there, dog lovers. If you're the proud owner of a new Border Collie puppy, you're in for an exciting journey. These intelligent and energetic herding dogs are known for their eagerness to learn and please their owners. In this video, we're going to cover the essential first steps in training your Border Collie pup on some basic commands and behaviors. The first thing to keep in mind when training a Border Collie is establishing yourself as the confident pack leader. These pups are highly attuned to your energy and body language, so it's important to project calm assurance as you guide them through the training process. Always use a firm yet gentle tone and be consistent with your commands. Let's start with the classic sit command. Have your puppy in a standing position facing you. Use a treat to lure their nose up and back, causing their bottom to lower to the ground. As soon as their rear touches down, praise them and give the treat. Repeat this process until your puppy learns to sit on command. Next, we'll teach your Border Collie to stand on command. Begin with your puppy in a sitting position. Use the treat lure to guide their nose forward, causing them to stand up. Once they're standing, give the praise and reward. Over time, they'll learn to stand on just the verbal cue. One of the most important commands for any dog is stay. Start with your puppy in a sitting or standing position. Give the stay command, hold out your open palm, and take a small step back. If they remain in position, immediately reward them with the treat. Gradually increase the distance and duration of the stay as they master the concept. Finally, let's cover the come command. Begin by calling your puppy's name and using the treat lure to guide them towards you. As they reach you, praise and reward. Practicing this in a safe, enclosed space will help reinforce the importance of reliably coming when called. Remember, consistency and positive reinforcement are key when training your Border Collie puppy. With patience and practice, they'll quickly pick up these basic commands and behaviors. Stay tuned for more advanced training techniques in future videos. Happy training!